Welcome everybody to Express. In this tutorial, let's take a look into how to make a brochure into the 2023. This is a powerful and user-friendly design tool, whether you are promoting an event, sharing information about your business, or just creating an educational pamphlet. This step-by-step guide will help you to design an attractive and effective brochure in Canva for 2023. So let's get started. Starting your brochure in Canva. First, you want to ensure you logged into your Canva account. I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description just in case you don't have an account. So signing up is free and straightforward and easy. So once you have your account, it's going to be leaving you the dashboard. So on your Canva dashboard, you want to create a design. And here what you want to do is to type the keyword of what you're actually looking for. In this case, in our case, is a brochure. So here we go. Now, Canva offers a range of brochures templates, so pick one that suits your needs and start with a blank page if you wanted to. In this case, let's go for brochure in the style of a landscape in 11 by 8.5. There we go. So as you can see, you have the 1, 2, 3 different sides here. So choosing and customizing a template. Now browse through the templates and select one that aligns with the theme of your brochure. Remember that every aspect of the template is customizable. So from colors and fonts, images and layout, you don't have to worry about that. So choose the one that best suits for you. And then later on, you wanted to choose the option that says light bold pages. Remember that the brochure contains clear, consistent, visual appealing, and we have 6 different sizes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Usually what you just want to do is to use templates since the template are already been filled up for a brochure. Now adding and editing the content. When adding a content, you want to focus on a clear message and purpose. Use headings and bullet points for easy reading. Canva text editing tools allow you to play with fonts, styles and sizes to make sure your text stands out. Also, you want to incorporate high-quality images or graphics relevant to your brochure topics. The Canva library provides a wide range of stock photos and illustrations. Now, in this case, I wanted to make sure that this is my top part of my brochure, and the page number 2 is my backside of the brochure. So everyone are inside just one page, but I wanted to make sure that we are actually using this is for the inside and this is for the outside. So you wanted to make sure that you are okay with all of that elements. So later on, finalizing your brochure. Now incorporate first of all high quality images just to make sure that we are actually using the best information and the best title. Let's go and change everything into black. You can even select all your files, and instead of going for multiple fonts, let's say that everything that appears now, I wanted to change it for leak spotted. So that's really depending on what are your actual elements of your company, right? So as you can see, we just wanted to make this, fill all of it, choose your diet. I'm gonna make this a little bit more smaller. So this is gonna be taking a few minutes here. So what you wanted to do is to make sure that everything fits into your brochure like this, so everything looks great so far. If you wanted to add more elements, you can go into elements. Let's say for example that I wanted to add like a quick orange here, so let's go and type orange, slice of orange. I go for graphics, and as you can see, you have something really easy. So just make this a little bit more smaller and put it in here, let's say like this. The layout is balanced. When everything looks good, you want to go and click into download, not before checking press the full screen to make sure everything looks great into your brochure. So there you have it, guys. It is actually really easy to do. What I can totally suggest to you is that before you get started, you want to print or just draw something into a new notebook, for example. And then here what you wanted to do is to type the numbers where you actually want to get started with your new design. So visually what you wanted to do is to type here the number 1, 2, 3. So you wanted to make sure how you wanted to flip this. So that's the reason why I loved to write down into my notebook the letters or the numbers of how it's going to be looking at. Then later on I can put that directly in here, so I can just make sure that I do have all the elements right before printing. So it's really important to do that before you print your product. And there you have it, guys. You have created a professional looking brochure using Canva. So brochures are a great way to communicate with your audience, and Canva makes the design process accessible for everyone. So if you find this tutorial helpful, guys, please like and subscribe and turn your notifications to Express. So if you have any design tips or questions about Canva, you can tell them in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in. Happy designing. Stay with Express for more use and creative design tutorials, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.